This is Oracle's Trading, your access to secret trading knowledge. This channel is built to be your last bus stop in trading education. In this lesson, we are going to be talking of types of market analysis. Generally, we have two major types of market analysis: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Some include sentimental analysis. There are other types of analysis that are not common to over 90% of traders. But let us start with this. Fundamental analysis has to do with available news emanating from the country of the pairs that is traded. For instance, if you are trading the USD, United States dollar, against the Japanese yen, for instance, then the fundamental analyst will consider news coming from the United States as well as news coming out from Japan. So any United States pair will be traded based on news coming out from the United States. So fundamental analysis generally deals with news. It could be political news, it could be economic news. And you see, in this news, there are those that have major impact on the Forex market. There are those that have minor impact. There are those that have low impact. So fundamental analysts will take time to study the impact of this news on the market, understand their patterns over the years, and then leverage on their impact on the market. Then there is the technical analysis that is widely known. Technical analysis has to do with the use of indicators or chart patterns to take trading decisions. It can involve the use of moving averages, indicators generally. There are these other type of trading or analysis that has to do with the use of the planetary bodies. That was popularized or majorly used by once upon a time trader. In fact, a man reputed to be a guru or one of the most successful traders in the financial market, W.D. Gann. He used, based on his theories, he used heavenly bodies interaction to determine what to do in the market. But let us focus on these two. In Oracle's trading, we are not going to be using fundamental analysis. When we get to the practical aspect of this training, you are going to see how we do our analysis. So we don't use fundamental analysis. Technical analysis, yes, but not as it is common. But our training is going to involve taking you from the known to the unknown, taking you from what you know, what is generally known about the market, to what you don't know. So we're going to go with, let us say, technical analysis. Anybody can give whatever name to his style of trading. Some call their style of trading behavioral analysis. But let us limit ours. Let us just call it technical analysis that you are not exposed to. Maybe with time we give it a name. So majorly these are the types of market analysis that are common to the general masses of traders. You don't need to bother about fundamental analysis or technical analysis. In our trading, we are concerned about how the market works, what plays out. We take you from what you know to what you don't know. Once again, our closing promise. If you are serious about becoming the trader you've always wanted to be, subscribe now to Oracle's Trading. Oracle's Trading isn't about hype, it is about truth, discipline, and results. Welcome home, fellow trader.